how to fix GTA 5 not launching easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix GTA 5 not launching. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first just open settings and then go to privacy. After that scroll down until you find background apps. Now just turn off background apps and here just go back and then right click on GTA 5, go to properties and then go to compatibility. Now click change settings for all users. Now just enable those two options, disable full screen and administrator, enable it, and that's it. Now click apply and okay again. After that right click on your PC, go to NVIDIA control panel. Now just wait for it, and now once you're here all you need to do just click use my preference, move it to performance and then click apply, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.